Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Matat Otech ERP. So how to use this app for your Shopify store. So let's start. I'm going to install the app first. So it will redirect to dashboard page. Yes, so first we have to choose the plan. I'm going with yearly premium plan. Let's select the plan. Let's authorize it or the approve it. So now we have a set of guide to use this Otech integration app. We have to configure the Otech credentials, API key and API key username and password. So also we are using the Otech API to communicate between the Shopify and the Otech ERP system. So let's first configure. Let's go to setting. So here we have to provide the Otech username and password. So I have already copied here the test username and password. So for now I'm choosing the warehouse ID 00 and the minimum stock threshold is 0. Also we have an option for product merging, like if there is any products that has suffix A, B, C, D, then it will be synced as in single product in Shopify. So this is quite important as well. So choose this setting before your first sync. Once product are synced, this setting becomes locked to prevent data conflict. So once you have synced using the product merging, then you cannot revert it back. So make sure you have choose wisely. So for now I'm checking this one as well. So let's enable the catalog sync, enable inventory sync color meta object. So here we have we get a color code from the Otech API. So in Shopify UI, if we need to implement the swatches for a specific color code to a specific color name, then we have to provide the color meta objects in Shopify admin. So you can also select this button if you want to sync the color swatches. So for now I'm just unchecking it. So let's first test the connection. Also we have pricing configurations. Okay, so we have redirect to the app dashboard. So let's import data from Otech API. So here we have manual sync option to import the data from Otech to our app. So let's click the import from Otech. So it will basically start a background job for getting all the data from Otech API. So let's try to refresh the page. Once we get the data, this will be checked. Yes, we got the data from Otech API. Let's map the location. So here by default we use the 00 location warehouse code for Otech, and I'm using the sub location as default. So once the map, it will show the success message, and here is an action button for unmap if you want. So now we have everything set up. So we can see the app dashboard, quick actions, integration status. So for now our order sync is disabled for now. So let's go to catalog section. Here we can see the all the catalogs data or the products from the Otech ERP system. So here we have an option for the manual sync catalog into Shopify, and also there is an automation option for the catalog synchronization and stock inventory synchronization into Shopify app. So let's try to sync one of the product. I'm just clicking the sync catalog button. So here we get the issue like there is no color inside. Let's try another one. So yes, this one has been synced. Let's verify it. Go to Shopify products. So yeah, here we can see the new products with 21 variants has been created. Let's open it. Here is the ERP product name and the color and the sizes. Here we can see the color and sizes. So at first, when we create a catalog into Shopify, we also sync the inventory data if there is an available inventory in Otech ERP. So for now, I think there is no stocks for this product. So also let's go to the app. Now we have successfully synced the catalog. Also we can click this sync stock button to sync all the data from Otech ERP to Shopify. Let's click. Yes, it will take time to sync. Yes, stock sync 21 inventory updated. So if there is any inventory, then it will sync into Shopify. So let's try to refresh. So here we don't have any inventory for this product. So for now, what I will do is I will manually set the inventories by clicking edit quantities, and here I will assign 10 for each. Let's save it. So now we get the inventory. Okay, so let's go to the inventory section, and this is also the list of inventory that are available in Otech ERP. So here is an also option for the sync inventory for the particular SKU. So let's move to the order section. So in this page that we can see all the orders created from Shopify store. Then these orders will appear in this page, and later you can do manual sync the orders into Otech as well. So let's create a order to test the order flow. For now, let's make this one product active, as this will be on draft status. So I will just copy the product name. Let's go to order sections, create order. Let's search this one. So here we got the list of products that has an inventory as well. Let's edit. Okay, so now let's select the customer. It's this one, random customer. So let's start the payment. I will make this one is marked as paid. So create order. Sorry. Okay, so the order has been created successfully in Shopify store. So now let's go to our app. Let's try to refresh the orders tab. So here we should able to see the order number 1001. We can see the financial status paid. Now the sync now button is currently disabled because we have to enable it from the settings page. Let's go to order sync settings, Shopify to Otech. Let's enable it, and I will choose the only when the status is paid, then only sync the orders into Otech. So also here we have an option for the shipping SKU, discount SKU, coupon SKU, gift card SKU, and the warehouse ID that you want to create order. So let's save the order sync setting. Now let's go to order sections. So now the order has sync now button has been enabled. So now we should able to sync the orders into Otech. Let's click the sync now. It will dispatch a job, and the job will be executed as soon as it will create it. Let's try to refresh the page. So yeah, now we can see the Otech doc number, which means the order has been synced into Otech. So let's go to now Shopify orders. So here what we can see is the Otech order number also added in order notes, so that user can easily track that the Shopify order has been synced into Otech ERP successfully. So also in order details page, we can see the bunch of information, and here is an important thing is whenever the invoice has been created in Otech ERP system, that it will gives us the invoice PDF. So here is the link that will open the order invoice, or you can view this one as well. So also here we have a log for successful API request for the creating orders into Otech API. So if in case if you want to see the payload, then you can also able to see this from order details page. So now let's go to, we have already finished the location, plans and settings. So right now the product merging checkbox is disabled, because now we have synced the products using by merging the product. So once the product has been synced into Shopify, then this settings will be locked. So if you need any help, then please contact with the support as well. So here is the important thing is auto sync setting as well. So we have an scheduler synchronization from the Otech ERP to Shopify store. So you can select a certain interval from the minimum hour 2 hours. In every 2 hours the catalog sync will be performed, and if there is any catalog data changed in Otech ERP, then it will update into Shopify as well. So similarly also for inventory sync, you can select a minimum of every hour for the synchronization. So what it will do is in every 1 hour it will fetch all the data from Otech to our database, and after that it will check the whether the data has been changed, and if the data is changed, then it will immediately update into Shopify stores as well. So that's it for the auto sync setting, and thank you for the watching.